To enter recovery mode on Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to either click and hold the power button right here to call out the power menu, or you can click on the power button and volume up button to also try and open a power menu. And just get to the power menu and then make sure that your device is switched off. Give it around 5 seconds until it's fully booted off, and then we can click on the power button, volume down button together at the same time, and when you feel vibration on your phone, let go of the power button. So it should look like this. I'm letting go of the power button, and now we need to wait until we see recovery screen with the language selection. And here we have it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.